If you're doing local business marketing, you're promoting to your local market, you can also retrieve information from the yellow pages. Here, if you click on yellow pages email extractor, you go here, you find yellow pages in the US or in Canada. For example, we go to the US part, you click here on yellow pages US, and you enter a keyword like, for example, bakery. Okay, and then you type here New York. Okay, when I click on extract, and you get here all the information of local businesses that you can contact and do business with. Okay, here for example, you see this one. They don't have any business, any website. You can help them to have a website if they need. You have the telephone number and the location. Here you can also have the email address.